Okay, so how to fix caution errors on your hard drive. So if your hard drive got problems, first of all what you need to do is click on Start menu and type CMD, so Command Properties. Right click or simply here you can click on Run as Administrator. So click on it. You will see black screen open with Command Properties. Now you need to type following command: check disk RF, and here is your drive. Yeah, so if you have two drives like C or C and D, here you need to enter your drive what you would like to check. So after entering this command, just simply click on enter, and it will start checking your hard drive. It can take up to 5-6 hours. For me it took 5 hours to check hard drive. So use this trick, guys, in order to check your hard drive, and this tool will help you to fix errors. After completing, just close everything and restart your computer, and everything should work fine. So guys, hope this video was helpful for you.